Assalamu alaikum. I am your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is cow manure. What is cow manure? Cow manure is the digested and undigested food by the bovine animals like cows and buffaloes. What are the components of cow manure? Cow manure contains NPK less than 1%. Cow manure contains many of the micronutrients and much of the minerals required by the plants and trees. How cow manure acts? Cow manure acts as a mulch, which means it don't allow the moisture to evaporate. Second, when it is completely dissolved in the soil, it increases the water retention capacity of the soil. Fourth, why I am discussing the cow manure now? This is the main point, because winter season has been started and nowadays the nights are cool and the days are a little bit hot, but after 15 to 20 days the days would be cooler one. So in this way we have October, November, December and January, these 4 months we have for the cow manure to use for our plantation, grassing, etc. Which type of ratio for different operations we have to use, I will explain in next segment. But before that I wanna tell you that which type of cow manure we have to use. We have to use this powdered form cow manure. This is best for grassing and everything. But if you have in boulder form, that is also good, but use this in the basin of plant, in the basin of trees. But you must have to consider the point that cow manure should be well rotted form and well dried form. How you will confirm that it is well rotted and well dried? You will confirm if it is present, it stays 20 days at the farmyard. After 20 days the cow manure is perfectly dried and well rotten form. Let's move towards the explanation. Okay, now the explanation is that if you wanna use the cow manure for new grassing and the season is summer, mix 1/3 cow manure and 2/3 of sweet soil, make a medium, then plug the new grass. Second case, if you want to use the cow manure for new grassing but the season is winter, mix half of the cow manure with the half of the sweet soil, make a medium, plug the grass. Third case, if you want to use the cow manure for existing grass, first cut the existing grass at 0 level, make it yellow, and then put a layer of cow manure, make it black. Give 15 to 20 days water. After that you will notice a prominent increase in growth. Fourth of all, if you want to use the cow manure for plants less than 6 feet and less than 3.5 inches girth, put 1 kg cow manure into the basin and do hoeing. Within 6 inches your plant would be ready for the next 1 year. If you want to give cow manure to the trees, this is fifth case. For mature trees more than 6 feet and more than 5 inches girth, put 3 to 4 kg cow manure into the basin and do hoeing within 6 to 12 inches. Your tree would be ready for the next 1 year. So this is the case just I have discussed for the winter season. These 4 months utilize maximum of the cow manure because it is the natural source and easily available everywhere. Next I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.